Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to build this mask effect in Framer. So I already prepared the section. Let me show you how it looks like. We have a section, a container inside, and inside the container we have two images, which are these decorative elements. And then we also have a text wrapper, which uses a position relative. So next, I'm gonna create a new frame, press Ctrl X, paste it inside a container, put the position to absolute, center it. For the width and for the height, use a relative 100%. And next I'm gonna call this mask. Make sure the z-index is 1, then select the text wrapper, go to z-index and make sure the z-index is 2. Also the decorative elements as well, they need to be on top, so they need a z-index of 2. Next, press Ctrl X on this image, paste it inside the container, use position absolute, then center it, and the z-index should be 0. Right now you can't see it, but you will see it later. So next you need to create something similar in Figma. So basically this is a mask, and then you have to export it as a PNG or SVG. Once you did that, select the mask, the frame that we just created, go to styles and click on mask, then click on image and select the image that you created in Figma. Alright, this looks good. Let me move this right here, maybe like this, and this one up. Okay, so this looks very good. As you can see on mobile and on tablet it doesn't look the same. We can actually make this smaller. Let's rotate it like this, and now we can export this one as well. So select the mask on tablet, go to the mask again and select this image, which is smaller than the previous one. Okay, it's still too big, but you got the idea. You need to make sure that this one is fitting the breakpoint. So anyway, now let's make sure that those are actually aligned correctly. To the left, and this one should be only to the right. So next, let's select this image right here and go to effects and then click on scroll speed. And as you can see, we have a nice mask effect in Framer that moves the same way it does on this website. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.